What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from your bank account to the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your homepage right here. So on your homepage, all you will need to do is just tap on this add money button right here. And here just go ahead and tap on this payment source. Now you would be able to choose between a few different payment sources. So my preferred way of transferring money from my bank account to the Revolut app is actually by just using Google Pay, because it's instantaneous and it doesn't have any fees associated with the transfer. So I just added my bank card to Google Pay, and then I can directly transfer money from my bank account to Revolut. So I will just tap done right here when I select Google Pay. And I would just need to input the amount, so let's say 10 euros, and then just tap on this GPay button. Now here you would just need to confirm the transaction or select your bank card if it's not automatically selected. Now I just tap on pay and the transfer will be made. So essentially this guys how you can transfer money from your bank account to Revolut instantaneously without any fees associated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.